big fella popped up there and said good afternoon. He walking around with the fucking dreadlocks on. Good Lord have mercy. That kind of people walking around with dreadlocks on is all electric Chevrolet.
Hey, Vice Grip, he want him to tell you something. Hey, Vice Grip, he want OTT to tell you something. Hey, Vice Grip, gatekeeper in a big hole and got down.
Well, okay, I still can't believe I talked to that guy out there in Seattle, Washington, where my antenna was pointed south. Ain't that so?
Ain't gonna be no cross talking. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Hey, Tony Montana, I'm talking to you. Tony Montana, gatekeeper got down.
Hey, 2150. 21, don't forget how to get and get out here into the fucking party. That be like I'm making show. 2150, 1952, at the party, and I do it.
I like the way you did that, man. Hey, Red Dot, I like the way you put a dot on a cotton picker's forehead. I'm a Red Dot gatekeeper right back.
Hey, Bad Whiskey, how bad you want to talk to him? Hey, Bad Whiskey, Dr. Zero, wanna know how bad you want to talk to that knucklehead? Hey, Bad Whiskey, it's funny how that works, ain't it? They get conditions that change down south, and seems like my conditions are still out west.
All right, Tony Montana. Well, you need to take them wooden nickels, man. Hey, Tony Montana, don't take no wooden nickels from the track. Tony Montana, gatekeeper, throw you so back. Georgia got down, you hear me?
Yeah, I know all the big deal about it is that everybody out there, the conditions are down south, so everybody out there got their antennas down south. Okay?
Tony Montana.
Well, 2150, I'm just waiting on the rest of you guys to get there. 2150, I'm already at the duck fucking party. Good your dogs on what you say. 2150, 1952, already sitting at the party enjoying it.
Lucky 7 in the black gold.
Go, small, get no balls, get on to.
Okay, well, I ain't gonna hang everybody. I got double there, and I keyed and left him on the mall. Hey, Red Dot, when he get off the mall, he'll know I'm talking to you. Red Dot, get you a key.
Down here in black gold.
Take care, Doctor.
Lucky 7 people.
Bye-bye. You see you out, Jim. I'll see you. Bye-bye. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my noodles. I'm going to eat noodles and shrimp. Gatekeeper around there ain't big on. I'm eating noodles and shrimp for lunch. I'll see you.
Hey, Dr. Crooked-Fur, we're going to try to keep it right in between those two, no doubt about it. Hey, Dr. Crooked-Fur, take care. Lucky 7 of these are wagon in the black hole. I see you.
Come on, Jagger, down we go. Bye.
Hey, 2150. 2150, you don't need no invitation. You don't need no fucking invitation to come to the party. All you gotta be able to do is party all day, all night.